Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevrolet Cruze trunk. We will cover several methods, starting with the convenient key fob. Then, we'll locate the interior release button inside the car. For situations like a dead battery, I'll show you how to use the physical key. Finally, we'll discuss the trunk release lever, ensuring you can always access your trunk with ease and confidence. To open your trunk remotely, simply press and hold the trunk release button on your key fob for about 3 seconds. You'll hear a click, and the trunk will pop open. Inside the car, look for the trunk release button, typically found on the driver's side door panel or dashboard. Press this button firmly to release the latch. Remember, the car usually needs to be unlocked for the interior button to function. If your car battery is dead or the remote isn't working, you can use the physical key. Locate the keyhole, usually above the license plate or near the trunk lid handle. Insert your car key into the lock cylinder and turn it clockwise. This action will manually unlock the trunk. It's a reliable backup method to ensure you're never locked out of your trunk, even in an emergency. If your trunk isn't opening, first check for any obstructions that might be blocking the latch. Ensure your car battery has enough charge, as a low battery can affect electronic releases. Also, confirm that valet mode is not active, as this often disables the trunk release. If issues persist, refer to your Chevrolet Cruze owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps and diagrams tailored to your vehicle model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.